Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an instant appam recipe which can be prepared in 10 minutes. For that, in a bowl I am going to add 1 cup of wheat flour and I am going to add 1.75 cup of water. If you need some more water to mix the flour, then you can add it. So give a good mix without lumps so that the batter remains smooth. After mixing the wheat flour with water, I am adding 1 spoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of grated coconut and half spoon of salt and mix well. Mix all the ingredients well that no lumps are formed. Now I am going to transfer this mixed ingredients to a mixer jar because we are having the coconut which should be smooth. In the case of appam, the batter should be exactly smooth. So after grinding, you can see the batter is very smooth now. You can add some water to adjust the consistency as well, as the appam batter consistency always stands to be pouring. So after mixing the water needed, you can cover and rest it, or else you can prepare the appam immediately. I am going to add half a spoon of fruit salt which aids in improving the digestion. Mix it well so the batter turns instantly frothy. Now I am using a ladle to prepare the appam and the batter is ready. In the appam tawa, I have heated the appam tawa and I am going to add 2 to 3 ladles of appam batter. As my ladle is a bit small, I am adding 3 ladles of appam batter. If the ladle is big or medium, you can add 2 scoops of it. You have to just scale it up and down so that the batter is very thin in texture. So let it cook till the holes emerge well. If it is about to cook in the center, that is the correct time for the appam to cover and cook, so that the center part of the appam gets cooked well as the remaining batter stays in the center. So now if you see, the holes have emerged well. Now I am going to just place a plate on it and I am going to cook it in medium flame for 30 seconds in medium flame. If you see now, our instant wheat appam is ready. This is very healthy and it is quick and easy to prepare. This appam can be prepared in no matter of time, as our batter is very instant and we can prepare it within 5 minutes, so that it is also extremely healthy. We have not added baking soda or yeast to the batter. So you can just do the remaining with the same batter. It is very easy. Normally appam batters take very long time to prepare and cook it, because as it needs the fermentation time, long time. So now if you see, our appam is instantly, it has got ready. It is very healthy. It is very healthy in case of diabetes patient and kids. Please do try this recipe at home and subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Thanks for watching my video, and please do let me know what is the favorite recipe of yours the most, and give that answer in the comment section so that I will be very interested in preparing that recipe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.